Good morning to everyone. Happy Independence Day to all. My dear children, I am Bharata Mata, your mother India. On this proud occasion of Independence Day, I bless you all with courage, unity and wisdom. Today as we celebrate freedom, let us remember the great sons and daughters who gave their lives for me, for your motherland. Brave hearts like Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai and Mahatma Gandhi. They all fought for my independence. Children, freedom is not just a gift, it's your responsibility. It's your duty to protect this nation with your knowledge, your value, and your unity. I'm proud when you say Bharat Mata Ki Jai with love and respect. Once again, I bless you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Good morning to everyone. Happy Independence Day to all. My name is Lasya. I am studying in 7th class. Today I am going to tell about a few words of Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule was a pioneering Indian social reformer, educator and poet. She is recognized as the first female teacher in India. Along with her husband Jyotirao Phule, she fought tirelessly against social evils such as child marriages, widow emulations and caste discrimination. She contributions to Indian society has a profound impact, and her memory was continues to inspire the generations of people. The Savitribai Phule famous slogan is, "The true measure of progress is the status of women in society." Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Ashmi. I am studying 7th class. Today I am telling a few words about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born February 13, 1879, Hyderabad in India. She was dead March 2nd, 1949 in Lucknow. She was politically activist, feminist and poet also. She was the first Indian woman to be a president of the India. She was National Congress appointed to be a state governor. She was called Nightingale of India by the Mahatma Gandhi. She was the eldest daughter of Gauranath Chalopadhyaya. She was the first woman to be a governor of the India. India achieves Independence Day August 15, 1947, and Naidu was appointed to be a governor of the India. United Previous making her the first woman to be a governor of the India. She remains in office until her death 1949. The famous slogan of Sarojini Naidu was, "Manaku లోతైన నిజాయితీ మాటల్లో ధైర్యం ఆచరణలో శ్రద్ధ కావాలి." Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Happy Independence Day to all. My name is Himasri. I am studying in 7th class. Today I am going to tell a few words about Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba Gandhi, affectionately known as Ba, was a dedicated Indian political activist and the wife of the Mahatma Gandhi. She played a crucial role in the Indian independence movement, actively participating in Satyagraha and civil disobedience campaigns. Beyond her support for her husband, she was a strong-willed individual who championed social causes and served as a mother figure in various ashramas. Her unwavering commitment and sacrifice made her a vital part of the Indian freedom struggle. Her famous slogan was, "The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of strong." Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Happy Independence Day to all. My name is Mehak. I am studying in 7th Vagdevi High School. Today I will tell few words about Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit born in Allahabad, India, the sister of Jawaharlal Nehru. Like her brother, she imprisoned for activism during Indian struggle for independence. She was the first woman to hold a cabinet position in pre-independence India 1937. She was the leader of All Indian Women's Conference 1941 to 1943. She was empowering women. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Happy Independence Day to all. Today I would like to say a few words about Rani Lakshmibai. Friends, today we remember a true hero, Rani Lakshmibai, the Queen of Jhansi, born Manikarnika. She defeated expectations, becoming a skilled warrior and a powerful ruler when the British sought to annex her kingdom. She refused to surrender.
She became a symbol of courage and becoming a symbol leading our troops into battle with a ferocity that astonished even our enemies. Imagine a woman, a queen, fighting on horseback, sword in hand, protecting our people. Rani Lakshmi Bai was not just a queen, she was the leader who challenged the status quo. She embodies the spirit of India's fight for independence. Let us remember she was not just as a historical figure but as a powerful symbol of what we can achieve when we stand up for what we believe in. Jai Hind. Our famous slogan is "Maine apni jaan se nahi दूंगी." All members tell with me our famous slogan. मैंने अपनी जान से नहीं दूंगी. मैंने अपनी जान से नहीं दूंगी. मैंने अपनी जान से नहीं दूंगी. थैंक यू.
Good morning to everyone. Happy Independence Day to all. Today I'm going to say a few words about Subhash Chandra Bose, who is popularly known as Netaji. On this proud occasion of Independence Day, I have come before you to remind you of the sacrifice done for our freedom. We did not get independence easily. It was under sweat, blood and endless struggle. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. From a young age, he loved his country deeply. He formed the Indian National Army in 1942 to fight the British with weapons, not just words. Even today, he wants every Indian child to be brave, disciplined, patriotic, love your country, respect your people, work hard for Indian progress. Everybody, say with me my famous slogan: "Give me blood, I'll give you freedom." Give me blood, I'll give you freedom. Give me blood, I'll give you freedom. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Happy Independence Day to all. Today I stand before you dressed as Bhagat Singh, one of the bravest freedom fighters of India. I was born on 26 September 1907. From a young age I saw the pain of slavery and cruelty of British rule. I could not be silent, but I believe it is easy to kill individuals but not their ideas. I could not fight with fear but with fight. Dear friends, freedom did not come easily. It came through the sacrifices of thousands like me. Today, on this Independence Day, I ask you, will you protect the heart-earned independence?
Yes.
Will you raise your voice against injustice?
Yes.
Will you serve your nation with honesty and courage?
Yes.
Let's not forget our duties towards India. Let's be brave, selfless and united like Bhagat Singh. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Everyone say with me, Inkilab Zindabad. Inkilab Zindabad. Inkilab Zindabad. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Happy Independence Day. Today I want to talk a few words about Alluri Sita Ramaraju. Alluri Sita Ramaraju was born on July 4th, 1897 in a village called Mogal near Bhimavaram in Andhra Pradesh. He completed his primary schooling in various places near his native village and went to Visakhapatnam at the age of 15 to pursue high school and university education. He is a fearless warrior and champion of the oppressed. His legacy as a continues to inspire. He is known as Vanyan Veerudu, the hero of the jungle, the title given for his courage and dedication. Alluri Sita Ramaraju is not just a figure from the freedom. He sacrificed everything for the freedom of this motherland. My favorite slogan is "Save everyone." Vande Mataram. Vande Rajyam. Vande Mataram. Vande Rajyam. Vande Mataram. Vande Rajyam. Thank you.
morning to everyone. Happy Independence Day to all. My name is Hardik. I am studying in 7th class. Today I feel honored to speak about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as Iron Man of India, a passionate leader who played a very important role in building of modern India. He was born on 31st October 1875 in Gujarat. His strength, determination and loyalty to the country helped to unite India after independence. He was greatly influenced by Mahatma Gandhi and led a number of movements including Bardoli Satyagraha, which earned him to title Sardar. One of the most significant contributions came after independence in 1947 when he managed the historic integration of over 560 princely states into Indian Union. In his recognition of his work, the Statue of Unity, the world's biggest statue, was being built in Gujarat. The statue of Patel symbolizes the unity and India's lasting impact. As we remember him, let us be inspired by his values and strive for his famous slogan is "Everyone say with me, unity is strength."